Alright, so we're gonna start up on the old Beamer again. We're thinking about painting the wheels. I've already ran up there to Walmart and got the paint for it and everything like that, so yeah. Gonna paint them black. But yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna paint them really. There's quite a few ways we can do this. Yeah, so I'm gonna take them off, clean them up first, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so we did got the wheels taken off and everything. He's working on one of the wheels right now, scuffing it down. I got mine all done. I'm gonna get some waxing and grease remover and I'm gonna wipe it down. Alright, so we went through, got the tires messed up and scuffed down. Got this one all ready too. I'm about to mask it up and paint them. Got them all taped up. Went and got some really expensive paint. No, I'm just kidding. This stuff is like 94 cents at Walmart. And that's what we're going to paint these tires with. Rims. We're going to paint the tires with it, Nathan. Beep. Beep. We're painting the rims with them. With some gloss paint. So we got them all painted up now. I'm just letting them dry before we tape them. But I think they look pretty good. Got everything painted. Make sure every little crevice on that was painted. Is it recording? Alright, we're gonna make it official. Oh yeah, y'all comment down below if y'all like the black rims. I tried to make a video over those, but the SIM, I don't know what was going on with the GoPro. They kept saying the SIM card was messed up, but yeah, that was gonna be one of the videos. But didn't get to post it. Didn't even get to film it, honestly. It just kept bugging out on me. So yeah, just hopefully y'all like them. I think it gives the car a good look. Let's look at it from back here. I think some coilovers or something for the front of this will make it look better. I found some lowering springs for the back of it for $100, but this front, I don't like that wheel gap there, so that has to change. Yep, so those are the black rims. Alright, so I got some new ball joints here. I got a, what is it? This is the inner lower ball joint, and this is the outer lower ball joint. I think that's what it is, but I got those all new ones because, I mean, you can hear it when you're driving this car. Sounds terrible, but so I'm gonna be changing that out. Hopefully we can get it done by the end of the day. Got some daylight. Hopefully that's my first time doing this, so especially on a BMW. So I think we can get it knocked out. Let's just jump right into it. Alright, so I got the wheel pulled off. Just going back and sticking all the studs back in. If I can. I guess not today. This is, whoa, the thing I'm replacing right here. This whole entire thing. The ball joint's right somewhere right in here, and then the other one's right there. So I'm replacing both of those. I should have got this one also, but there's nothing wrong with this one, I don't think. I don't know. I should have got the new one, but I'm gonna go ahead and just reuse it. Oh, that's not tight at all. That's bad. That's not cool. Now that I got that one loose, it's time to move on to these two bolts. But before I unloosen those, you want to unloosen this one. That's a 22mm socket. Well, that's what they say. And that works pretty nice, not gonna lie. Woo! But there's two screws right there. Well, there's one you can see, but the other one's back there. And they connect to this little bar thing that holds on to whatever. Yeah. So I'm gonna get those out real quick, and hopefully this whole thing just goes boop. Nah, it's gonna take some beating on it, but we'll get it. See if I can't bust this loose. Oh, a little pickle fork on it. There she is. Cool, she's free. All thanks to the pickle fork. And just like that, just pull it down. Get both those bolts out. Now we can move up to getting those two screws off. It's actually really easy to do this up. So we already got the inner screw out. Now we're just getting the outer screw. Yeah, there's two bolts holding this one in. Same thing, pretty much like this. Two bolts holding it in. And it's coming right out. And there she goes. Woo. There she is. That's the old one. The only thing I am reusing on it is this bushing right here. Should have got me one of those. Woo! That's pretty. Bam! Go on just like that. Just like that. Just like that. I don't know why they recommend putting soapy water on it. They say not to use grease, so I guess we're not using grease. Yeah, it went in pretty smooth. Got this bolt in, which this one you want to get in first, and then this one, and then that. I'm just gonna go down, tighten everything up, finish everything, get it done. So yeah, let's quit talking and do it. Alright, so I got everything bolted up in there and tightened down. I'm gonna go through and clean up my mess and throw the wheel back on. Alright, cool. So we got it all done, everything cleaned up. And that's about it for this video, everyone. The only thing I can do now is take it for a test drive I think the black rims breaks up the orange a lot. And yeah, y'all leave a comment down below on what y'all think about the grills and what y'all think about the wheels. Like, which one should I do? Should I go all chrome like that, or paint the inside black, or have all chrome? Alright, so that's gonna be a wrap for this video, everyone. Y'all please like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't watched any of my other videos, y'all go please watch those and like them and comment on them. Do whatever y'all want to. Same thing on this video. Like on the rims, y'all let me know if I should go back to the chrome, or not chrome, what is it, like the aluminum alloy or something like that. We can go back to that. And let me know if I should go all chrome on my grills. I kind of like the all chrome, but I don't know yet. We'll figure it out. And if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow my Instagram, Low Love Life. I try and post more of the car and everything I do with that work more often on that. This car's jamming pretty good. I think the black wheels just look so good. What do y'all think? Y'all comment below. I'm gonna get out of here. Y'all catch me on the next one.